What's up, YouTube? Today we have a big video. So as you know, well, you don't know yet because I haven't posted it because I'm late. I just made this, right? This doesn't look the best, it's gonna look better. But this doesn't look too bad, right? We have some other supplies. And some other supplies. New intercooler and intercooler piping. And so that means we're gonna have to do a lot of work in here and in this area. So let's get into it. This is gonna be a two-part video, by the way, because it's gonna take a long time. It's gonna be like, I hope the videos are like 20 minutes each. They could be shorter, they could be 15 minutes each, but they could be a lot longer. So let's get cracking. One of the first things we're gonna have to do for the radiator is drain it. We're gonna do that through the petcock, which is a little thing that you put some pliers up to and twist it, and it just comes off, and then the radiator fluid just drains out. That because I've been putting a lot of water into it because it kind of like almost exploded the other day. Ooh, that's another thing we gotta fix. Yeah. Normally, it should be coming out right now, so I'm a little worried. Okay, and so now that's coming out. I'm gonna open up here. See how it came out faster? Okay, so so pretty much that whole time, all I was doing was releasing this little thing called a petcock, and what that does is it drains the coolant. And when you loosen this, it goes faster because air can get through the system. See how it's almost drained through there? Well, you can't really see. Yeah. So the reason we're draining this is because we're gonna take out the intercooler and the radiator, which are right here. The problem with that is since my car's lights, there's extra wires and other things in the way that we're gonna have to kind of deal with as it happens. Ugh. And we're gonna deal with that. So when this is fully drained, I'll get back to you and we'll start loosening some stuff, and then we'll be on our way to new intercooler piping and radiator heaven. Oh! So now that it's drained a lot, we're gonna start undoing other stuff. And something I just realized I need is a screwdriver. I'm gonna go find a screwdriver. Okay, I found a screwdriver pretty as soon as I stopped the camera. So we're just gonna loosen some pipes. I just really don't want to spill coolant on the garage, you know? Oh, no. And nice. This is, by the way, this is what I'm doing it with, is a broken screwdriver. There we go. Tons of gunk in there. I cleaned this up the other day, so I'm curious to see how well it did. I can feel the warmth in my eyeballs now. So this is important because we have to keep it. So I'm gonna put it in our keep pile. Man, I'm gonna mess this up. I just got coolant everywhere, all over me. And I have a puppy, and puppies like to drink coolant. And so that's a big no-no for me. So now we're gonna pull this little pipe off. Perfect. Okay. So I don't really have the most ideal tool right now for this. So I might have to go and grab a knife. . Yeah, I can't. Dremel to the rescue. I just can't have it attached anywhere. And so I don't think this is really attached anymore. So we're gonna undo this one up here. It's hot down there. And other than this, I don't really know how to get that part off. But we're gonna find out. Because we kind of have to. Nice. So that's what old Volvo fan shrouds look like. They just kind of crumple. Huh. So this is a very important piece, right? Next up, we have to take that little black hose right there, right in the middle. We have to follow it down and then take it out. So we're gonna work on that. How's this one going? That one's through that, which scares me. It's pretty cool seeing the front of my engine. You know? All sorts of knickknacks in here. Knick-knack, paddywhack. That too? Okay, I'm gonna get back to you when I have the right tool. I had to open my garage so that I could grab my dad's tools. Where'd that screwdriver go? We're gonna take this screwdriver and get this part out. Oh yeah. So pretty much the part that we just took off. Let me give you some little documentary. Okay, so the part that that's an important piece. The part that we just took off of was this part, right? From here to here. We just unscrewed this and pulled it out. Yikes, we're gonna have to switch some of these. And tie in this one. But I mean, dude, we are, I don't know, maybe 40% done. We gotta take the intercooler radiator out, put the new pipes in, and then put the new ones in, and we're done. This video might be a lot shorter than I thought, so we'll see. I'm gonna disconnect some wires, and yeah, get to some stuff, you know? Pretty much what we need to do now is disconnect these wires. And I don't really like breaking this piece off isn't the best idea, but you know. Okay, so we got this piece out. Something tells me we're not necessarily supposed to be taking this out. So we're gonna use a Dremel. We could have just messed up really, really bad. I'm gonna get back to you guys. We are lucky. The part I was cutting through was right here, right? This little circle. And it's just got a little metal piece that goes around it. And I thought we just went through like a circuit board type thing. So, man, that's really bright. We are lucky, lucky. And now that we got this big thing out, this big tube, we get to take the radiator and intercooler out. That's gonna be a little bit of a pain in the butt. But it shouldn't be too hard. I shall not have to undo a bunch of stuff. Ooh, we need this, and we need this. I just took two clips off of the top of the radiator that I know we're gonna need later. So we're gonna put them. Put them right next to the radiator box, and Now, we just have to undo a bunch of stuff, so let's get crazy into it. Woo! We get to use the elusive 10mm bolt. That means, I'm gonna drop it down my car and never find it again. We got one bolt, one more to go. I'll film this one so you guys can watch, and then we can pull everything out. I'm gonna put these right here. Okay. This bolt is a freak. Yeah, we're taking a Dremel to this thing. One moment. Okay, hopefully this works. Come on. I'm gonna drop it. Oh my goodness. That's how I was holding it. Let's go. That was not so bad. So now this stuff should be able to move back independently, maybe. I was right, folks. Come down to my level. So, right now, shut up. Okay. One down, one more to go. Now we can take everything out. What was that? Something fun. This time I'll film it. See this little bolt right here? That's what we're taking out. It's gonna take a lot of these. Well, there you have it. There's our other piece. So this is gonna sit right there. And now this should be disconnected. So let's see. I'm gonna disconnect something, 1 second. I think I disconnected them. Yep. So now, if my equation, they still feel connected to something like, oh, it's the bolts on the radiator. I'm dumb. I'm gonna take those out real fast. After a long time, I think we finally have done it. Okay, hold on. Radiator out. Oh, no. No. Radiator out. Oh, no. No. Intercooler out. Ah! Alright, you guys, that's gonna be today's part 1 video. Because, I mean, look at what we did. We got the radiator fully out, the intercooler fully out. Now we have to put the new one in. I hope it fits. And we have to put the new, whatchamacallit in, radiator. So, part 2 is coming out a week later. And thank you guys for watching. So, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. Comment what you want me to do in the video after next video. I have stuff to do, but if you have ideas, let me know. Pink truck out.